Students, welcome to all. Here the exercise 8.4 and we will do the sums of part 5, and today we will going to discuss the second part of fifth, that is cos a upon 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a upon cos a is equal to 2 secant a. Now let it be left hand side and the other one is right hand side. We will prove that this left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay students, this is one of the most important sum in the exercise of 8.4, so please pay attention. Let it be left hand side, so that's why I write it as. Then by taking the LCM of 1 plus sin a and cos a, we will get cos a plus 1 plus sin a 1 plus sin a. When we taking the LCM of 1 plus sin a and the cos a. After that cos a into cos a, we will get cos square a plus 1 plus sin a 1 plus sin a, that means 1 plus sin a square. That means it happens 2 times. That's why I take it here the square value, and the denominator is same as that of the previous, that is 1 plus sin a cos a. Now as you know, here a identity will be applied on it, as it is as same that of the a plus b square. So let's start. Cos square a is as it is, and what about the other term, that is plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's why I write down here 1 plus sin square a plus 2 sin a, and the denominator as that of the same side. Then we know that cos square a plus sin square a, this one, cos square a plus sin square a will be equal to 1, and this one is as it is, plus 2 sin a is as it is, and the denominator 1 plus sin a cos a is as it is. This one and this one will be added with each other, and we will get 2 plus 2 sin a upon 1 plus sin a cos a. Here we easily get 2 common from this value. By taking 2 here, we will get 1 plus sin a in the inside of the bracket. By cutting out 1 plus sin a with the denominator, that is 1 plus sin a, we will get 2 cos a. Here 2 cos a is always be written in the form of 2 multiply 1 by cos a. 2 is as it is, and what about 1 by cos a? 1 by cos a is equal to 2 secant a. So our right hand side, that is 2 secant a, is equal to the left hand side of the sums. Now we will proceed to the another part. Here tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta, we will have to prove that this left hand side will be equal to that side, that is 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. Let it be left hand side, that is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. As I told you in the previous video, that is tan theta always be equal to sine upon cos theta, and it also equal to 1 by cot theta. But we have to take in our mind that we have to same the denominator of these terms. That's why we use the same formula as that of the denominator of these values. So here tan theta is equal to sine upon cos theta upon 1 minus, what about cot? Cot is cos upon sine theta, plus cot theta is equal to cos by sine 1 minus, and what about tan? That is sine upon cos. In the second step, sine upon cos is as it is. Here we take its LCM, then we will get sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta, and in the same manner we will get cos minus sin theta upon cos theta in this way. When we rearrange these terms, then we will get sin cos multiplication. Sin will be multiply by the above term. That's why sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta, plus in the same manner cos upon sin multiply cos upon cos theta minus sin theta in this way. Then we will know sin into sin square theta. And what about the other term, that is denominator cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. In the same manner cos into cos square theta sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. So students, what will we do? We can take common from these two terms because sin theta minus cos theta is present here and also cos theta minus sin theta is present here. But the problem is that here the cos theta is of negative and here the cos theta is of positive. If we replace this sin theta with cos theta and this cos theta with this sin theta, then a negative sign will be took outside. Then see, the next step is that when we replace these two values with each other, the negative sign will be took here. Okay, that's way. Here the two denominators will be same. So we will easily take common of these two sides by taking sin theta minus cos theta. And what about the other part, that is sin square theta upon cos theta minus cos square theta upon sin theta. Here these two terms are common. In the next step, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta is as it is, and by taking LCM of these two terms, that is sin theta cos theta, we will get the upper term as sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. It is so happen because we have taken the denominator as cos theta sin theta by the LCM. Here a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So we will easily apply this formula on that step. Then we will get this term as sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta is as it is. Here sin theta minus cos theta is as it is. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And what about the other term is as it is upon sin theta cos theta. Here in the upper and lower term, the two terms are same, so they will be cancelled out with each other. Sin theta minus cos theta will be cut out by sin theta minus cos theta as the denominator. What about the left terms? 1 plus sin theta upon sin theta cos theta. We will rearrange this term as 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta here and here, because here the positive sign is held here. So at one time we will take the value 1 by sin theta cos theta at one position, and on the another position we will take sin theta upon cos theta at this way. Here the two terms are same, so we will easily cut out here and we will get 1. What about this term? 1 by sin theta dot 1 by cos theta. What about the 1 by sin theta? It will be equal to cosecant theta. And what about the 1 by cos theta? It will be equal to secant theta plus 1 plus 1. This is your right hand side, as the question demand is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta as that of the same. So we will get our answer. Okay, bye.